Okay, so I went to a makeup expo at the convention center in my town, and I was so excited. I thought they were gonna have like a bunch of high-end brands. Come to find out, they have just brands I've never even heard of. Let me get a drink of my coffee. You guys, I'm exhausted right now. That's hot. But I want to share with you guys what I got. The things I got, I love. I personally am so excited about. I've already tried a couple of them. The first thing that I was so excited about is this. This is Cara, I believe, ES1735 color Galaxy palette. This was $45, or no, $40, I'm sorry. Look at that. They're all glitters. And with a glitter base, like for instance the NYX glitter primer, this is amazing. They're so pretty. I'm so in love with these. I've been putting them on. I've already worn them twice. And so far I've tried this one and this one. Those are the two I've tried so far. Okay, then I picked up, this is the brand Luxe, I take it, that's what it says. This is their Pro Powder, their banana powder. I believe this was $5, maybe it was $3. This stuff is amazing. It is 1.47 ounces or 42 grams. I love this stuff. It has like a fruity scent to it. Wait, let me smell it right now. I can't describe, but it doesn't smell bad at all, so that's good. Then they have testers on all the products. So this is by the brand Selected Skincare. This is Makeup Perfecting Primer, paraben free. I had my friend buy one of these too, and my friend, I'm not sure how she likes it yet. If you're watching this, then you know who you are. I don't want to put your name out there because I don't know if you care. If you don't care, let me know from now on. She's my best friend. She's one of my best friends. Comment down below if you like this. This is the primer, and it's amazing. It is exactly identical, I'm not even kidding you, to the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. At this makeup expo, this thing was only $15, and it's 1 fluid ounce. Smashbox's is 1 fluid ounce for, I believe, $30. It might have gone up by now. I went on their site, and they're selling this for $176 on their site, and Amazon's selling it for $70. So I was like, whoa, that's a good deal. I picked up some lashes. These were $2 each, and I did not think these were going to be that long, but they're like extremely long. I'm probably going to cut them down like to make them shorter. This is Cara again, like the glitter palette, 100% human hair eyelashes. So I got number 1, which is really long. Like it goes almost to my eyebrows. I'm like, I'm not wearing those. And then 79, which I believe these are the same length. And all of the eyelashes that they had were all this long. The most natural one I got was this one. I mean, I saw there, and it's not even natural, so I was kind of bummed out about those. Those were only $2 though. So then next, I have a lot of these. On the Selected site, these go for $14.99. Over there at the Makeup Expo, it was $3. So I got this one. I didn't even open this one. I'm going to show you it like this. You can see, it's a glitter. So you'll need an eye primer for that. And this is 0.1 ounce, 2.5 grams. That's really good. This is in the color Gold, and it's like a greenish gold. So like I said, these are $14.99 on their site. I will link them down below just in case you guys want them. I want to check them out. This is, so that's a glitter. This one's a pigment. I'm not sure if it says it. No, it doesn't. This one's in the color Copper. So this is just a pigment. It's not a glitter. They have both. It seems like it's like a finely milled glitter though. Like, it's so freaking pretty. And then with a primer, get real close. With a primer or a primer and a base, it'll look way prettier. Close that. It does have a sifter, but it's still a little bit messy. I prefer like pressed shadows and stuff, but I saw these and I'm like, I gotta get my hands on those. This is so different. Personally, I have never seen, and maybe I'm just like living in a little box, I've never seen a black glitter. So when I saw this, I was like, come to mama, yo mind. And, okay, nothing fell on me. It's black with little tiny silver flecks in it. I thought it would be perfect for doing like a smoky eye, but instead of using black, doing dark brown on the lid, and then putting this bad boy, see if you can see that, over it, and it's so pretty. And let me tell you what color this one's in. Just black. Black. Okay. Is this one a mica? I believe this one is too. This is in brown sugar. This one's a mica. This one doesn't look like it's like finely milled glitter. This is more of like just a shimmer. So it's not going to be like the other gold I just showed you. But it's still really, really pretty. You know, I just love makeup in general, so I don't know. Okay, then this one is called Bronze, and this one's like a true gold glitter. The other one I showed you was like a greenish gold. I don't know why they called, oh my gosh, this one's so pretty. I'm not sure when you see this. Oh no, dropped a little bit, but just a wee bit. It's okay, we can have some glitter all over. Okay, and this one is, what was this one called? Bronze, I told you. This one's called just purple. I am kind of slow. I just realized the ones that aren't glitter are SP. Wait, are they? Yeah, SP. And the ones that are glitter are G. Genius. Oh, I didn't even take the sifter off this one. I gotta take the sifter off this one because this is purple with some other colors in it, and it's so pretty. Ooh. I don't know why I got it. I can't really picture me wearing it. It has like, so it's a purple with a little tiny bit of silver and pink. Did it? No, it didn't. I'm trying to get it to where you guys can see it because it's so pretty. Glitter just makes me happy when I see some glitter. And if, gotta take another sip of my coffee, hold on. If you use the glitter primer now, my friend was gonna buy the Selected glitter primer. I'm not sure if she did. I don't think she did though. I think I talked her out of it because it was $5 and the NYX's glitter primer is only $2.99, which isn't that big of a difference, but if you're buying makeup all the time, it is. That one. So this is their primer. Now this is not a glitter primer like NYX's. This is just the regular primer. This one was $5. It's really, really thick. Oh, you know what? I'm going to test that out. So this is the primer. It's just flesh tone. I'm going to try to put that one that I said isn't a glitter, but like has like finely milled glitter in it. And let's see how much better that looks. Put some more. I don't know. I feel like it took away all the glitter. You see that one? It looks way shinier. So I don't know about that one. Huh. Okay. I'll put that back on. Then I got this color. It's so pretty. This is in... Okay, so wait a minute. Glitter. You guys, I'm even slower. looks really something else. So the glitter literally says, what does that say? Glitter powder. Then the ones that are just eyeshadow, say eyeshadow. And this one's not an eyeshadow. This is a shimmer powder. So you can use it as a highlight. And that is actually what I did with this one. I put it in my inner tear duct and I put it as a highlight. Not today, but for another look when I went out to the movies with my friends. And seeing it in the jar, it doesn't do it justice. But I'm just going to show you. I don't want it to dump out though. Now watch. When you see it live, it just has the best golden shimmer to it. This would probably be a really good highlight for medium skin tones. It'd probably be good for any skin tone, honestly, because it's a little bit darker, so it has that golden undertone. For me, like the pearl, like more like white base, not golden, go better with my skin tone. But because of the fact that this is so light, it does go well with me. Medium and dark, I'm sure it would go great with your guys' skin tone too. And it is such a pretty color. Like just like a really pretty subtle golden, but it does, watch, let me, I don't know if you can see it. Let me just put some, and I'm using my finger for this, so this is gonna be real bad. The center of my nose. But you see, it's really subtle. It's not like bam in your face. So I think any skin tone can pull this off, and it'd be good on your eyes anyways. I like to use it in my inner tear duct, like I said. And it's great for that, just to open up your eyes and brighten your eyes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I will link everything down below. Like I said, the prices when I found them online were it was a lot more. Try to find the most inexpensive site I can find these on. Watch me find it for way cheaper than